We have 3 chenille stems, a small stone, a pom-pom, these are the essential tools. So first off, we take a chenille stem and we bend it in half, like so. Then we take this pom-pom and we lock it right in the middle, like this. You kind of see that? And then going to twist it. So that you have a figure like this. Okay. Put that down. And take a second chenille stem, make that around, and then stick this through it like so. So that we twist it just around once, like this, right in the middle. Then on the ends of these, you twist a little loop with a hand, making a hand like this on the other end. Bend it, twist around, and another thumb. So you have that like that. And this one, we'll take, and we're going to coil it around a pencil. Make a coil. So we have this little coil. So take this and put it through. So we have a hollow coil. Sorry about that. Let us see. And then we've got this guy ready to go. Bend his feet. And his other feet. Bend his arms around so they kind of stay on. And so, bend his arms. And so, be waving, be doing whatever. Then we're going to glue one foot with glue. Hopefully, like that. Okay. So there he is, finished doll. As you can see, he stands up. Then you'll just notice that we've made clothing. Some of the clothing for this doll. A little bentwood hat that we can put on, and this guy, this little dancer, and we have a little Eskimo guy.